Welcome all, out today's topic is a web service. So, what is a web service? A web service is a set of open protocols and standards that allow data to be exchanged between different applications or systems. Web services can be used by software programs written in a variety of programming languages and running on a variety of platforms to exchange data via computer networks such as the Internet in a similar way to inter-process communication on a single computer. Any software, application, or cloud technology that uses standardized web protocols such as HTTP or HTTPS to connect, interoperate, and exchange data messages, commonly XML known as Extensible Markup Language, across the Internet is considered a web service. Web services have the advantage of allowing programs developed in different languages to connect with one another by exchanging data over a web service between clients and servers. A client invokes a web service by submitting an XML request, which the service responds with an XML response. There are two types of web services: SOAP web service and REST web service. Let's delve into each of these into more detail. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. SOAP offers a wrapper for sending web service-based messages over the Internet with the help of HTTP protocol. All its messages are usually in XML format. The SOAP message consists of three components. A root element termed as the envelope element. Next element is categorized into two parts. The former is the header, and the latter is the body. The header includes the routing data that is essentially the information telling the XML document to whom or for which the client needs to be sent. Lastly, the body includes the actual message. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. REST service is not a collection of a paradigm or specific rules, it is instead the style architecture for software. Those apps that are designed using this architecture are collectively termed as RESTful web services. Contrasting SOAP, which aims at actions, REST deals majorly on the resources. It establishes the resources through the use of URL as well as depends on the nature of the transport protocol, like HTTPs, GET, PUT, POST, DELETE, etc., used to perform the resources. The allocation of resources in REST depends on the URL. It is more like conventions-based application. Let's look at web service architecture now. Each of the web frameworks needs some architecture for making the entire framework works as required. There are three discrete roles as mentioned below regarding the web services. The provider is used to create web service, which makes it accessible for client applications who want to utilize it. The requester is not anything but the client app which requires contacting a web service. That client app can be .NET, Java, or any other language-based application that seeks functionality through a web service. The broker or service registry is the application that helps in providing access to the UDDI Universal Description, Discovery, and Integration, which is a paradigm to describe, publish as well as discover web services that are provided by any particular service provider. This concludes our today's video on Introduction to Web Servers. Hope you learned a little something today. I'll be bringing more videos in this series soon. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you want me to cover any more topics like this. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Happy learning!